we are back. Can you believe it? 2 unboxing videos in a row. There's going to be lots of this type of stuff happening when I run out of content. This is going to be the unboxing of the Amazon Basics camping tarp. We bought it because it was the exact same size as the tent that I just did the unboxing of. And since the tent we have now is an odd size, we have to use multiple tarps, and we still have to do that with this other tent. So we just bought a 10 by 12 tarp that fits the perfect amount under the tent, and then we don't have to worry about folding pieces or any of that. So we are going to unbox this and see what it looks like, so stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to unbox this and see what it looks like. I already took some extra photos and stuff of the box to insert so you can see what the tag looks like. We'll cut the tape here. How does this thing open? Every Amazon box is different. If you've ordered enough from Amazon, you'd realize that by now. It's very complicated. You can't just have the same old box. We gotta have a different one. Let's see here. So, my favorite color, army green. Okay, so 10 by 12 foot tarp with plastic reinforced corners for added strength, rust resistant grommets, and rope reinforced edge. So this is the Amazon Basics camping tarp. It's 10 by 12 feet, and yeah. So I'm not going to say I recommend this yet because this isn't a testing video and we haven't used it yet, but we will be going camping here in the next week or so, and I will insert a clip, I guess, if I can, of the tent and the tarp when we're camping and let you know how the tarp does. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you all on the next video. So this is the Amazon Basics tarp all laid out to dry after we came back from the camping trip here. And it's made out of this very thin and crinkly material. So, I mean, it's an okay tarp, but it's definitely, you pay for what you get. So you pay a cheap price and you pretty much get a cheap product.